Hi, this is James again with Above and Beyond Fuels, and I was just wanting to show you the modification I made on my bike, trying to get off gas. Anyways, what I've done is I've taken this 6 by 24 inch sheet of metal, aluminum, that I've gotten from Ace Hardware, and I've bent it into this U shape. And what I've done there is I have 2 bearings I also got from Ace, and a little spacer, metal spacer that I've covered in rubber electrical tape. This is the kind that automatically bonds together. And what I've done is I've bolted the whole assembly on so that when this spins, the tire spins. I've got it bolted on here to the chassis. This is a Schwinn bike. It already had these holes here, so it just made it perfect. And I went and got these screws for it. What I've also done is I've drilled a hole here, and then I've got a piece of 3/8 threaded rod, and I have it screwed on here. And I drilled a hole in the seat. I don't know if you can see it that well. I drilled a hole in the seat, and then I put the rod up in it, and then I put a bolt on there so that it pushes it up tight against the seat. Now I guess I'll show you how this works. What my original plan was to put a motor right here. That's still what I'm gonna do, but I was just wanting to show you it working. Let's see if I can get it going. I don't know. I'll have to set the camera down real quick. Here's what I've done. As you can see, when I pedal, the threaded rod spins from the roller that's contacting the tire. Anyways, I'm going to put a motor on here, and then I'm going to get a small little 12-volt battery and put it here in the cup holder. Then I'm going to get a dimmer switch for a 110-volt light, and I'm going to mount it here, and that's how I'm going to control the motor. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.